like it's the top of the hour?
Oh yeah, they've set it all different times. So.
It's like a church. Yeah, it's like a church. Let's see. This one was, how much was it again?
$33.50.
You got it down almost $1,000 from the original price.
Yeah.
Well,
And
in 1978, it listed for $44.50. So it's.
The replacement now is $7,500 for the same.
Those weren't the best of economic times, were they, back in the 70s? But it's better than today, really, in some ways.
Yeah.
That's really nice. They didn't cut corners with. I mean, as far as wood, not as much veneer. Mostly,
the only
solid.
veneer is the burl wood is actually a veneer.
Just the outer.
Yeah.
Right here.
It's here, the panels.
Yeah.
But the rest of it is solid hardwood.
Pretty solid construction. So it's pretty heavy. Need a dolly or something with at least a couple guys.
Yeah.
Like to move it. With having kids, you're wondering, will they? For sure, they can't knock this over.
Not like
Not
that.
this one.
In fact, that's a deeper base than most.
One of these smaller ones, they may be able to knock over,
some of
like
those
this
are,
one
you know,
here.
pretty narrow, and it
Yeah.
doesn't take much to knock them over.
This one looks like it wasn't made by well, it's so old, really.
Yeah.
How old is that? It's like
1775.
Wow, 1700s, really? Where did you come across that? It's really surprising anything that old is.
It's Scottish with the old Scottish pine.
Made in Scotland or over here?
Made in Scotland.
And that one's working on it.
Yeah, it has the seconds, the date, of course the hour strike, and the moon phase.
Yeah, when I first saw it, it's not really a factory made in any sense. It's all hand.
It shows its age, but
hand carved almost like. This one's pretty old.
yeah, that one there is made in 1760. It's actually older.
1760.
In England.
Gosh, it's just. Do private collectors just come in and sell these to you?
Occasionally, yeah. This one, a guy had it in his garage in pieces.
In pieces. Now, was it working when you put it together?
No, I had to put it all together.
But you can get all the parts.
Well, I can make parts. I have to.
Custom parts.
So set up and running good.
Great, thank you.
This one's similar. It has the top there walking along and the water wheel turn.